Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 31, chapter number 8, Decimals. This is a new chapter. Here we will learn about decimals. Decimal. A decimal is another way of expressing a fraction. First, tens. Here we take a total 10 boxes and we shade only one box. So each box shows 1 upon 10 fraction. The fraction 1 upon 10 as a decimal is written as 0.1 and read as 0.1. When we divide one whole box or one whole into 10 equal parts, so each part is 1 upon 10 or 0.1. Here each part 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10 and so on. Here we divide one box into 10 equal parts and we color 5 boxes from here. So the fraction of this figure is 5 upon 10 or 5 tenths. 0.5 or 0.5. The dot or the point between the two digits is called the decimal point. Whole numbers and decimal numbers can also be combined as shown. Here we take a one whole box and then a one box divided into 10 equal parts, and we take and color two box from here. So 1 plus 2 upon 10 or 0.2. So when we add one whole and decimal part, so it gives 1 centimeter plus 2 upon 10 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter plus 0.2 centimeter. And when we add these both numbers, it gives some 1.2 centimeter. 1.2 is also decimal number and is read as 1.2. Here the numeral 1.2 names the same number as 12 upon 10 or 1 whole 2 upon 10 and represent 1 whole and 7 tenths. Let us now divide a whole into 100 equal parts. So here we divide one box into 100 equal boxes and each part out of 100. Here we color one part out of 100. Equal parts is 1 upon 100. So each part shows 1 upon 100 or 0.01. 0.01 is 100th. Now in this figure, here we take 75 parts out of 100 equal parts. Is 75 upon 100 or 0.75. 0.75 is 75 hundredths. The correct method to read decimal number is 0.3 as 0.3 and 2.75. Here 2.75. Here 2 shows whole number part greater than 1 and this dot shows decimal point and 75 shows decimal part less than 1. Thousands. If we divide one whole into 1000 equal parts, then each part of the whole represent 1000. Thus 1 upon 1000 equal to 0.001 or 1000th. Read as 0.001. The decimal 0.225 equal to 225 upon 1000 and 225 thousandths represents 225 parts out of 1000 parts. Now expanded form in decimal number. Expanded form of 35.46 equal to 30 plus 5 plus 4 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. Notice the following patterns. 3 upon 10 equal to 0.3, decimal before one digit. 7 upon 100 equal to 0.07, decimal before two digits. 145 upon 1000 equal to 0.145 decimal before 3 digits. Here the number of digits after the decimal point in the decimal numeral is equal to the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator of the corresponding common fraction. Place value and decimals. The place value chart shown below can also be used to understand decimals. The place value of each digit in the number 1234.567 is shown below. Number 1234.567. The place value of each digit 1000, 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 ones, then point, 5 tenths, 6 hundredths, 7 thousands. Here we noticed if we move from left hand side and we read these numbers, so we read as a whole numbers, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and after decimal, right hand side of the decimal, the place value of the numbers like tenths, hundreds and thousands. Using the place value chart, we can write the expanded form of any number. Take the number 1279.364. So here first we write a number 1279.364 and then we start from decimal. So 9, we write 9 as 9 into 1 because 9 in 1's place, 7 in 10's place, so we write 7 into 10, and 2 in 100's place, so we write 2 into 100, and 1 in 1,000 place, so we write 1 into 1000. Then on the right hand side of the decimal, 3 in 1/10's place, so we write 3 into 1 upon 10, 6 in 100's place, so we write 6 into 1 upon 100, 4 in 1,000's place, so we write 4 into 1 upon 1000. So 1279.364, 1000 plus 2 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 9 ones plus 3 tens plus 6 hundreds and plus 4,000. This is a method to find out the place values in decimal numbers. Here we write the decimal numbers in a two form like fraction form and decimal form. So this given number 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000. First we write in a fractional form. So 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 9 into 1, 9 plus 3 into 1 upon 10, 3 upon 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100, 6 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000, 4 upon 1000. Decimal form. If we write the fraction form, so it's converted into decimal form also. 1000, we write 1000 as it is 1000, 200, 200, 70 as a 70, 9 as a 9. We write 3 upon 10. So we write 3 upon 10 in decimal form 0.3 plus 6 upon 100 we write 0.06 plus 4 upon 1000 we write 0.004. Shifting a decimal is depend on total numbers of zeros in the denominator. Here 3 upon 10, 1 having only 1 0, so decimal shift to the left hand side in one place. 6 upon 100 having a 2 0 in the denominator, so decimal shift to the left hand side in two places. 4 upon 1000 having 3 zeros in the denominator, so decimal shift to the 3 places to the right hand side. Converting fractions to decimal and vice versa. Converting fractions to decimals. Fractions whose denominators are 10, 100 or 1000 can be easily converted to decimals by putting the decimal point in the numerator accordingly. Examples: denominator 10, number of decimal places equal to 1, Example A, 5 upon 10 equal to 0.5. Example B, 7 upon 10 equal to 0.7. So here the decimals shift to the left hand side in one place, because in the denominator one having only one zero, so decimal shift to the left hand side in one place. Denominator 100, number of decimal places equal to 2. Example A, 3 upon 100 equal to 0.03. Example B, 209 upon 100 equal to 2.09. Here denominator having two zeros, so decimal shift to the left hand side two places. Denominator 1000, number of decimal places 3. Example A, 12 upon 1000 equal to 0.012. Example B, 209 upon 1000 equal to 0.209. Here the denominator having three zeros, so decimal shift to the left hand side in three places. Converting decimal to fractions. Decimal can also be converted to fractions as under example 0.6 equal to 6 upon 10. Only tens place, so we write 6 upon 10. So the fraction form of 0.6 is 6 upon 10. Here we also reduce in its simplest form, so we divide by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So we write in a fraction form 3 upon 5. Now students, here we solve some examples related to decimal. Write following fractions in decimal form. So the first example number A, 7 upon 100. So here we have a two zeros with 1 in a denominator, so decimal move left hand side in two places. So if the number having no decimal is hide in a last end of the number, so decimal is here now and it's moved two places, so we put two zeros here and decimal move 1 2 from here to here. So the decimal form of 7 upon 100 is 0.07. Example number B, 14 upon 5. So here first we change denominator in a tens, hundred and thousands form. So here we check first 5 twos are 10, multiplying numerator and denominator here by 2. So 14 twos are 28 and 5 twos are 10. So here in a denominator one having 1 0, so decimal move from here to here in ones place to the left hand side, so we write 2.8. So the decimal form of 14 upon 5 fraction is 2.8. Here example number 2, write the following decimals in fraction form. Example number A, 0.4. So here before decimal in a whole part we read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and in a place values in decimals we read after decimal on the right hand side we read tens, hundreds and thousands. So here this 4 in a tens place, so we write 4 upon 10. So we say that the fraction form of 0.4 is 4 upon 10. We also reduce this form in a simplest form, so we divide 4 upon 10 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, so we write 2 upon 5. Example number B, 0.342. So first we check maximum place value of this decimal number, so tens, hundreds and thousands. So 3 in a tens place, 4 in a hundreds place and 2 in a thousand. But the maximum place value of this decimal is tens, hundred, thousands. So we write 342 upon 1000. Now we divide these both number, numerator and denominator, by 2. So we divide by 2, we get here 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, and 2 ones are 2. Now 2 fives are 10 and 0 0. So now fraction form of 0.342 is 171 upon 500. Now here express the following as centimeter using decimals. Example number A, 104 millimeter. So how many centimeters in 1 millimeter? So 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter. So when we change 104 millimeter, so we divide 104 by 100. So we write as 104 upon 100. Decimal shift from here to here, two places, 1 2. So we write 1.04 centimeter. So we write 104 millimeter in centimeter, 1.04 centimeter. Now here we change 2 centimeter 42 millimeter in centimeter. So we write 2 centimeter plus 42 millimeter. Here 2 centimeter is already in a centimeter, so we change 42 millimeter. So we divide 42 upon 100. So 2 centimeter plus, here 1 having 2 zeros, so decimal move from shift from here to here in two places, left hand side. So we write 0.42 centimeter, and when we add these both centimeter we get 2.42 centimeter. So we write 2 centimeter 42 millimeter in a centimeter form, 2.42 centimeter. 4. Write fractional and decimal expansion of the number 22.31. 22.31, first we check this part is known as whole part and this part is known as decimal part. So in a whole part the place values are ones and tens, in decimal part tenths and hundreds. So we write 2 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 10, because 3 in a tens place, plus 1 in a hundred place, so we write 1 upon 100. So the fractional expansion of 22.31 is 2 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100. In a decimal expansion we write as 20 plus 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, plus here 1 having only 1 0, so decimal shift to the left hand side in a ones place, so 0.3, plus here 1 having 2 zeros here, so decimal shift two places to the left hand side, 0.01. So these are the fractional expansion and decimal expansion of the number 22.31. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.